So as you mentioned that the virus is spreading and we are in the third wave now. So like many companies and many MNCs, have been opening their offices and calling their employees at a full strength. So do you feel that this is the time when we should cut short calling them personally and you should promote work from home as of now?
So there is a graded response action plan as per the government guidelines, which increases the contingency measures as the positivity rises. Gradually, in the past many days, the positivity of Delhi is rising, and other states also have witnessed an increase in the cases. So many
Hmm.
state governments are coming up with such guidelines. Like few days back, the West Bengal government, the Maharashtra government, and before that, even the Delhi government did announce
Hmm.
certain measures to control the spread, which
Hmm.
included these things, including splitting of the timing of offices, decreasing the workers. Personally, I feel if anyone can work from home, that is the ideal way, and probably it is not only for COVID peaks, it can be continued also for some time, because it can help to curtail spread. There are many patients who may be asymptomatic and who may be spreading the infection, and it has been shown that in indoor spaces, particularly where there is no ventilation, there is increased chances of spread. So
Hmm.
working from home is a good solution, yes. Curtailing public gatherings is very important.
Right.
Avoiding mass gatherings or contact with a large number of people can also help in to a large extent. And I would say that in current times we must promote the use of telecommunication, telemeetings, and all the electronic media that we have for not only our work but also our meetings and also our day-to-day activities.
So, Dr. Pranav, I would request you to just repeat all the precautions that we all are telling everyone since 2 years, but still a reminder is better.
It is very important because see, there is a pandemic fatigue. Many people say that they have got tired, but now is not the time to be complacent. First, we
Yes,
have to continue use of masks,
right.
especially when we go out, when we meet people. We must always strictly use the mask in the correct fitted posture. We must sanitize our hands and surfaces frequently. We must avoid travel, mass gatherings, and public contact as much as possible. And as soon as if we are detected symptomatic or we have a contact with anyone who is COVID positive, we must do isolation or quarantine respectively so that we spread this infection a little less. See, Omicron is highly infectious, but to some extent, even the public, even our behavior is responsible for the increased spread of infection, which should be
Right.
curtailed.
So, the next question I would like to ask is that, like the COVID vaccines that are available in India and all those who have been vaccinated, so they are also getting COVID infection again. So, what do you suggest that a booster dose should be given to them, or these vaccines are less effective to this new variant?
So till now, we do not have much evidence for the same, but there are a few things to remember. One is vaccines not only decrease the chance of infection, but also decrease the severity. So if one is
Right.
vaccinated and still develops an infection, which is called a breakthrough infection, there are
Mhm.
increased chances that it will be a mild infection and the patient can easily recover in home isolation. So this is
All
a
right.
very big advantage of vaccination. So I would encourage each and everyone to complete his or her vaccination, the 2 dose schedule. Now, regarding booster, see, at present, vaccination has been started by the government for adolescents age 15 to 18, and a
Mhm.
precautionary dose has been advised for elderly and healthcare workers and frontline workers. Now, this precautionary dose is at present optional, and it is
Okay.
just meant to decrease the risk of infection in those who are at high risk. Now, high risk include the elderly, the patients having comorbidities, and the
Right.
healthcare workers. So, I would at present say that everyone should complete the 2 dose of vaccination.
Right.
Adolescents should start getting their vaccination as soon as the guidelines come in. We have already seen that 15 to 18 has started and there has been a good response. And
Mhm.
regarding the precautionary dose, well, many countries are giving their third dose, their fourth dose, their booster doses, but still are having a lot of infection. So the role of this precautionary dose is just probably to decrease the risk and the severity of infection. Regarding the efficacy of this vaccine against Omicron variant, well, we need more data, and in coming times, we'll be able to maybe there'll be new vaccines available. Maybe we'll need to get new booster doses available. So at present, I would advise it is best to follow the government guidelines, whatever they are released, time and when. And yes, if anybody is still not vaccinated with COVID vaccine, he or she should now come up and get himself or herself vaccinated.
All right, Dr. Pranav, thank you so much for your time. And we wish that everyone remains safe and healthy at home. For any other questions that you guys want to clear out or you have doubts, you can just drop it in the comment box and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. And please, everyone, take your vaccination, stay home. Only if necessary, then only step outside and follow COVID appropriate measures. Thank you so much. Thank you.